I'm going to climb this. I really hope I don't like stop halfway, because knowing me, I am so scared of heights. But let's go and have the whole experience of it. I'm excited, and I hope you have this on your bucket list to visit, because see, the view here is amazing. Trust me. So let's go. We are about to climb these beautiful places. They would open it up soon, and then we go out there. So see ya.
Two lighthouses. First one was built on 1875, and a new one, second one, 1925. Okay. Now, Luman, you're from the southernmost part of Ghana. The southernmost part of Ghana. Okay. So your crops is almost a 3 point. And I'm known as a 3 point. Okay. And I show Ghana my friend. I show Ghana my friend. I have seen the sea.
A honey agent.
I haven't seen.
Okay, it has history. Let me go and put my phone on.
We're in the directions.
Okay.
We're countries and my ship will be taken up in France. If you have last 1 month, London, Trinidad, New York, etc. But it's that direction of 137 aircraft. It's a ship name ticket to
137 Accra.
Accra. Okay. You should the back of 137 aircraft.
Okay.
Come to the any direction you should go. Okay.
New York direction is this way. So it's like this gives direction to, so like this points to London. So like if we stand there on this map, this is the direction. So this is like where we are. So that means that part of London, Anamebwa. So he's saying 137 is Accra. So you see, we go that way to Accra.
So this is not going to be using my own ships. We are using my own ships. This is not going to be.
Okay. Ah, the vibrance here is different. Like, let me give. Ooh, someone is over there.
First lighthouse.
First lighthouse.
Yes, it was built in 1875. During that time, there was still electricity. And these are solar panels. They are only to fire.
Eja.
So I got lighthouse upstairs. I go say I have a shape in the say shape in the back. I got come out behind. So it began in the back.
Oh, okay.
And inside there, you go to this. Because the head is are in the hey.
So, there's like two more Abraham.
That I am fulfilled, like to be here. I'm so fulfilled in life, like no regrets. Like there is no regrets in exploring Ghana, guys. There is literally no regrets in exploring Ghana. Like if you make a decision, deep down you know it is not right, still do it. If it comes to traveling, my holidays are over, but I am still a day off from work, whether I lose it or not. I don't, because being here, look at it, look at that, look at that. This is amazing.
So just write your name.
And you, that means it for me. Miss Radio. Oh, more easy. Hey, this thing is difficult.
This one there is what
Wait for it.
He says same way.
Well, can we get out here? Give us your phone.
Hey! Me, I'm scared.
Lorie.
It's okay, I'll see for me.
What bucket? Lorie, just stand right here.
Yeah.
Look, the beach here. Ah, if you don't want to take this picture, look, the beach here, the beach here. It's fine. No, let me take a picture, please. I want it. Can you come take it, please? Come. Cause I'm not messing with her today. We're a bra, right? No.
You're the first point, and here the second point.
Where's the first?
The first point,
Uh-huh.
and then here is the second point.
Yeah, it's
And
second
the third
point.
point is here.
The green over there
Yeah.
is the third point.
Yes, please.
Oh.
Then, yes, let me just.
Oh, okay. Okay.